Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I select the topic real number from the subject mathematics. All real numbers in number lines. The truth is every real number can be represented as a decimal number 2. For example, 2 can be represented as 2.0 and negative 7 can be represented as negative 7.0. Fractions like 1 over 20 and 5 over 2 can be represented as 0.05 and 2.5 respectively. A number lines is a line that can accommodate all the real numbers in the form of integers, fractions and decimals. Number 1 is natural number. You can actually count on them. They belong to the most ancient system of counting, sheep and gods. Just to keep a track of them, it starts from 1 and goes on and on. Number 2 is whole number. It's natural numbers with an unnatural number 0. 0 is considered to be not so natural because it's sophisticated to count zero number of thing. Number 3, integers. It's like delving deeper into the abyss of numbers. It contains all the numbers from negative to positive, including 0. Number 4 is rational numbers. To make calculations more precise, rational number steps in. It divides a number into smaller values like a centimeter is cut into 3 pieces. Then each piece can be written as 1/3 or 0.333. Number 5, irrational numbers. Anything that not rational is irrational. If any numbers fails to fit in the above groups and it still exists in real, then it is called irrational number, such as under root 2. Now the examples of real numbers. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers are the types of the real numbers. Natural numbers denoted by n start from 1 and 2, 3, 5, 6, so on. Whole number denoted by w start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Integers denoted by I and so on, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and so on. Rational number denoted by R equal to 3/4, 1/2, 4.34, 0.67, 85, etc. Irrational number denoted by under root 2, under root 5. These are the examples of the real numbers. Any number that can be put on a number line is a real number. You can see the line on the screen. Now, at the end, I reach on the final definition of the real number. A real number is any number that can be shown on a number line. The real numbers includes natural number, rational number, irrational numbers, integers. Now I explain the real numbers of mathematics. Now the real numbers operations. The sum of two real numbers is always a real number. The difference of two real numbers is always a real number. The product of two real numbers is always a real number. The quotient of two real numbers is always a real number. When sum of two real numbers, differences, product, quotient of two real numbers is always a real number. Now the topic is end. Thanks for listening and watching.